Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're fixing the problem missing source or scenes in OBS Studio. First, OBS allows you to create multiple profile or scene collections for different streaming or recording setups. Ensure that you are on the correct profile or scene collection. Now, if you confirm that you're in the right profile but you're still facing the issues, now check if your profile or scene collection is corrupted. If it is, try to import the data from the computer. For example, I'm going to click on scene and click on import and click on three dots. Now, from my username, click on app data and click on roaming. Then choose OBS Studio, then click on basic, and from here choose scene or profile, depend on what you trying to fix. For me it's scene. Click on untie and open it and click on add. Do the same for profile. So OBS automatically backup of your scene collection, which can help you later. Another tip from OBS community is checking the visibility of your source. Sometimes source within the scene can be accidentally hidden or layered incorrectly. Make sure that none of the eye icons next to source is clicked off. For example, your browser source might not show up if there is a network issue or the URL is not correct. Make sure you have the correct URL. And the last solution, if nothing works for you, try to delete the source and create a new source for you. And there you have it. If you have any questions or solutions, comment below. Thank you for watching.